Hello Internet, welcome back to Jacked Up Laboratory. Got a new TV for the shop. This one's too old, it's gotta go. Knock the bark off a little bit. Like I said in the last video, safety. That's what we're all about here. Safety. It's alright, it'll grow back. Why did I glue that board on there? I guess it's glued. There's not any other screws in it. Why? Justin, why did you glue that board? This thing's bleeding really bad for some reason. Not anymore. If you have a bench grinder, you need to know about this. CBN grinding wheel. I don't remember what CBN stands for. I thought this was the perfect opportunity to introduce you to one of my Christmas presents. Santa Claus brought me this. Oh look, YouTube. We'll give them a shout out. Woohoo! Son, would you look at that? Is that not just the most glorious thing you've ever seen? Supposedly, these things will last forever. And also, the main reason I got it is when you grind on these, it cuts the metal away. It's a diamond grit. And it's not supposed to abrade the metal, it's supposed to cut the metal. A lot like the chop saw you saw over there. That's not an abrasive wheel, those are actually teeth, and they're cutting, and the metal comes off of that thing cold. I mean, it's a little warm, but I mean, it doesn't come off freezing cold, but you know what I mean, it's not heated up, it's not grinding its way through it. Same concept here. Also, safety tip of the day, because you know we're all about safety, right? When you're using a grinder, the stone grinders, you don't want to put force on the side of the grinder because it's not built that way. It's built to push into it. And if you push on the side of it, for instance, I'll use this as an example. If you're pushing it this way, it can break, and it makes sense. That's where it's thinnest. You know, it's just they're that wide, and it can break off. It's just a thing of beauty. I hope it works half as good as it looks. And it doesn't smell. Wait. No, there's no smell. Let's put this thing on and let's take this rocket for a ride. Okay, there she is. Got her on, let's give her a whirl. Not hot at all. Little warm, just a little, not much. Like I can keep my finger on there. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. I mean, it's a little warm, but look at that. I ain't doing that. arm was on fire. All about safety around here. Okay, this is the TV in question, and I went ahead and made these just little pieces of flat bar, and went ahead and measured, drilled holes. These are not 1/4-inch bolts, they're all metric. I guess on all the TVs, I guess they're made overseas and everything's metric. And so what I've got to do next is we got to mount this bar on here somewhere. But the tricky part to this is this thing is going to be way up high. I want it to be tilted down to me just a little bit. This thing is going to mount here, and we'll tilt it. And I'll probably need a couple little pieces of metal here, because I'm going to put a weld here where it's touching. So that's what we'll do. That thing is stout. I'm at 170, maybe 175, somewhere in there. The TV in question clocks in at maybe 20, not more than 30. Yeah, overbuilt. But what if I wanted to put a bigger one up there one day? Let's get some paint on it and mount the TV. Okay, the wires are all tidy. I want to tell you what this is. The old TV that was up here has probably been up here maybe 10 years, and it's just full of dust and all kinds of dust and grime on it. And like most TVs, this TV has little vents on the back of it. Well, I had this cloth, and so I cut out a piece and I just used some of this Gorilla Tape just to give the electronics an extra layer of protection. And so that's that. So wires are tidy, dust cover. All right, there you have it. All done, all wired in place. Looks great. I painted everything black so everything looks sleek, way over engineered. I had to make a little thing here to hold the little cable box thing. Zip tied it in place. I don't know what I would do without zip ties. Love zip ties. Anyway, as you can see, the TV works great, and you can watch your favorite YouTube channel on there while you're working. If you're over here, if you're doing your thing out here in the shop and you're working away, doing stuff, you can do that. Or swivel around on the other side if you feel like you need to work out. Working out, watching TV. There you have it. I'm running, watching TV. I hate cardio. I wasn't even running for that long. I hate running. You know that second wind, that endorphin high, that, I don't know what they call it, the second wind, or that runner's high, that's what I'm thinking of. I don't get that. There's nothing euphoric or pleasurable about running to me. It's all pain. There's nothing enjoyable about it. It hurts. I hate to be out of breath. I'm more of a bike guy. I'm gonna go ride my bike.